My first idea is doing an online petition on change.org. And you could kind of word it however you wanted to and send it out through email or Facebook or Twitter.
I think it would be social media, yeah.
I actually think that would fit under public relations too, because it doesn't really, it does work with social media, but it's not
Kind of
Facebook, Twitter,
spread
anything like that.
through, yeah.
It's just internet.
When we're on social media, when we're on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, what grabs attention?
Facts,
Facts, okay?
not hypotheticals.
Not hypothetical.
Not if this happens, then this will
But
happen.
short facts, right? You're not wanting to have to click on something and
Right.
read a book. You're wanting
Right.
like
Short-
like Uber facts, that kind of thing.
Short, simple facts.
I think with Instagram, I think you have the unique ability to post pictures a lot easier.
Facebook too.
Facebook too, yeah, and Twitter really. But Twitter's has more limitations though. So I think you can do, and Vine too. I don't even know if that's really being used anymore. But you can do like the quick videos.
Well, and the other attention getters too is names, people that are in the media that people know. So you partner with someone, get their face out there.
So what about so advertising on TV? You know the ad about not smoking anymore, where the lady starts taking off parts of her face.
Mhm.
You know, not we don't need to do something that extreme, but that kind of quick video, you can apply it to, I don't know, pollution or melting ice caps, whatever, animal extinction, anything like that. That kind of
I
real,
mean, you can talk about it all you want, but until you see it, it doesn't become real.
right?
Like the time lapse.
Time lapse and
Are good.
apps, you know.
Yes.
As a teacher, I use Brain Pop in my classroom a lot, which is our educational videos for kids, and it's cartoon based, but it's a lot of science and things like that, and that could be a way to inform children of, and it also has lesson plans and things like that for teachers that they can.
I mean, I think the approach that could be used is the same as not smoking. You start that at a young age, and then it's built on over the course of their education.
Well, there's a good opportunity too to partner with some of the companies that are already out there, trying to create awareness, such as the cars that don't use the gas fuel. So there are companies out there that we could probably get on board as well, to let us help and be a part of their advertising that they already have out
There's a
there.
big push. I listen to Bloomberg Radio in the morning, and they have this ad that goes every morning, and it's about how to get solar panels on your house. And right now it's kind of in that phase of, well, the technology is not that great, so you're not saving that much money. But there's a lot of new developments in there. So I think maybe not so much on selling the product, but just kind of giving the information on it, because over time that technology is going to get better. And so maybe a few years from now it's something that's more consumer friendly, because right now it's really expensive and it's not that efficient yet. So maybe just education on what is going on from a research and development standpoint.
You could do some type of summit where you have educational sessions, invite some of these corporations to, set up some of their products, as well as maybe speak to, why they went after those products to help with global warming.
And on a smaller scale, you could take that and do a college campaign throughout the U.S.
Right.
Because I know places like Belmont require students that have convocation credit. I think there needs to be a media source that's unbiased, where all the information comes from scientists and researchers, and that's not backed by political agendas. Something that somebody can trust and get good information about. They could even debate the popular subjects in the news today, and bring on scientists and researchers to back up the claim.
And I think you could tie it into social media also. These, you could send out tweets with facts, like we talked about earlier, from the same source, from the people hosting the shows or the debates or whatever is being covered at the time.
It could even be its own channel on television, kind of
Live.
History Channel meets Weather Channel, meets
You
news.
have, going back to your college idea, having stuff at the universities, these could be kind of like road tour type stuff.
Mhm.
You know, you're going to the universities and speaking or
Yeah,
have
they could
speakers.
be recording from certain colleges.
Yeah, yeah.
It could be linked with the.
Could be kinda
it could be linked to the events that we were talking about earlier.